right in Ethiopia. No respect for law in Ethiopia. No respect for law in Ethiopia. Oromia for Oromo. Wayane get out of Oromia. Wayane get out of Oromia. Get out of Oromia. Get out of Oromia. Get out of Oromia. Oromos are marching for justice. Oromos are marching for justice. Canadian government. Canadian people. Stop supporting fascist government. Stop supporting Ethiopian government. Canadian people. Canadian government. Stop financial aid to the dictator. Canadian government. Canadian people. Break your silence. Stand by Oromo people.
Stand with Oromo people.
Help to stop state terrorism. Convicting Oromo founders. Oromia is for Oromo. Oromia is for Oromo. Mfinde is our city. Mfinde is our city. Mfinde is our city. Stop killing Oromo. Stop inflicting Oromo farmers. We are marching for peace. We are marching for justice. We are marching justice. We are marching for human rights.
No, come, no, okay, come.
Freedom!
to dictators. No hate to killers. No hate to killers.
The Oromo Canadian Culture Association of Ottawa Carleton and Toronto as well is organizing a peaceful demonstration in Ottawa on January 29th, which is today. The purpose is to protest the brutal and savage killing, imprisonment, torture, rape, beating of Oromos all over the Oromo region. For peaceful protesting against the so-called Integrated Urban Development Master Plan for Addis Ababa, aka Master Plan, and other land-grabbing schemes meant to evict Oromo farmers from their ancestral land of soil, purpose to replace them with minority Tigray ethnic groups. The Master Plan is continuation of successful Ethiopian government policies of migration of Oromos in economics, politics, and cultural areas. Since early November of 2015, Oromo students uprising in Oromia in a peaceful protest against the Master Plan has shaken the foundation of the ruling junta and have strengthened the Oromo resolve to fight for their survival. The Tigray People Liberation Front, TPLF, orchestrated has responded calling us in savagery by killing over 150 peaceful protesters, some as ages as 8 years old. Once again, the world bears witness to the Oromo youth being savagely killed, imprisoned, gang raped, beaten, exiled from educational institutions by the brutal TPLF. Supported by its special force of terror known as the Agazi Force. Ever since its support power in 1991, through armed struggles, the TPLF clique has resorted to synthesizing violations of human rights to support the legitimate rights of the Oromo people by systematically marginalizing them. Within the Ethiopian, Oromo constitutes such much of the south, central, east, and west of the current day of Ethiopia. Most of the urban land, forests, rivers, mineral resources, hydroelectric power sources, livestock, and coffee are in Oromia land. Despite all these natural resources and population base, 50% of Ethiopian population, maybe because of them, the Oromo remains like known by outside world and continue to be politically subjugated, economically exploited, and culturally oppressed. By content, the Tigray makes up 6% of Ethiopia. It does not have natural resources, urban land, base, economic base to be dominant. So the TPLF come up with various open and hidden schemes to carry out an act of ethnic and genocide against the Oromo people. On such plan is the so-called Integrated Development Master Plan of Addis Ababa. The master plan is something of a misnomer. It has nothing to do with development. It has concluded to hoodwink of the Oromos. And the world is ordered to implement the final solution, to inhibit the Oromos. It's a land grab. It's meant to cruelly evict close to 20 million Oromo farmers from their ancestral land, and then replacing them mainly with the minority Tigrayan ethnic group and other minority groups, such as supporting the TPLF. Once the Oromos are removed, the objective of the plan is to effectively erase Oromo identity, culture, land, and expand the greater Addis Ababa 20 times its current size. It is an ethnic cleansing in its absolute form. All the Oromos get in return, is
How come the guy?
Yeah, there we go.
Hamilton, Toronto Rakara Dentami, Segale Umatauran, one woman Kenya Wakati, Aduna Pesisu Kasani, Hetu Galaton and the Churrada. Abbanagana case Bakunda account of the Tani, when the Garu Kunaduna Versa, Amale, Abalan Kenya, Rio Gardenis, what you have to done, Akuma Kenya, Magala. Toronto, Ottawa, Amale, Nana, Waterloo, is only want to thank the Ogadenian community who came from. Anyways, what is saying? When you ground in the Chuamadu or Rekanakasa. Karadera Dentoni, Amel Asumratani, Sagale, Umadakasani, Toda, who got a cargo in Musata, Wayata. I brought you to Furturu, Umatakanya, Kokasana, Asana Tirabu Bindemu, and Bazi, Forces Kanakana, or for Embassy America's name. Can I also have a person? That's again, I can stay for make a lecture. Poyagaga Azira, when I'm not no freedom in Ethiopia! No freedom in Ethiopia! No justice in Ethiopia! No justice in Ethiopia! No justice in Ethiopia! No justice in Ethiopia! No freedom in Ethiopia! No freedom in Ethiopia! We stand for freedom! We stand for justice! We stand for justice! We stand for human rights! 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 No human rights in Ethiopia! 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 Ethiopia regime is a dictator! Ethiopia regime is a dictator! Ethiopia regime is a dictator! We stand for freedom! We stand for freedom! We stand for freedom! We stand for justice! We stand for justice!
Killer!
killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. No justice in Ethiopia. No freedom in Ethiopia. No human rights in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Dictators. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Killers. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Murderers. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government kills children. Ethiopian government kills children. No more aid. No more aid. No more aid. To dictators. No more aid. To killers. No more aid. To killers. No more aid. To killers. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Dictators. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Killers. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. No justice in Ethiopia. No freedom in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. No freedom in Ethiopia. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Injustice. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Injustice. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Dictators. Canada. Stop. Supporting. Ethiopian government kills students. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. No freedom in Ethiopia. Ethiopia jails everyone. Ethiopia is an open jail.